there. Check out the IBON IB1625 CNC knife cutting machine, specially designed for the footwear industry. It cuts through materials like rubber insoles, multi-layer PU leather, broccoli material, and hot melt adhesive with amazing precision, all within 0.1 mm accuracy. Here's what makes it awesome. Auto-feeding. It automatically feeds the material, so you don't have to worry about reloading. Auto-nesting. The machine arranges the cuts for you to make the most of every piece of material. Dual punching with a marking pen, punch and mark in one go, saving time and boosting efficiency. Integrated head design. This gives you smoother cuts and better performance. Plus, it can cut multiple layers at once, saving you loads of time. No molds required, just clean, accurate cuts every time. Whether it's rubber, PU leather, or foam, the IB1625 handles it all. And with IBCUT software, it's super easy to use. With over 14 years of experience, IBON is the go-to for reliable and efficient CNC cutting solutions. Ready to boost your production? The IB1625 is the way to go.